Reichenbacher is known in the industry primarily as a manufacturer of CNC machines, but their view extends far further. The company Reichenbacher at Holz-Handwerk means experience, perspectives are new. We meet a lot of old acquaintances here, and we also want to make new ones. We talk about visions, examples and solutions. The approach for us is to be open, as you can see from our stand concept. We want to hear our customers' solution approaches and then implement them in our machine technology. The wood processing industry is changing. Individuality and the high quality of the products also play an increasingly important role for smaller companies. There has also been a change in our customers' workplaces, where the second or third generation is now available, bringing completely new ideas, design proposals, and materials to be processed together, preferably on one machine. We already have proposals for solutions, but we're always open to hearing our customers' visions, take up the ideas, and then implement them in the right machine. The company Reichenbacher has chosen a symbol for taking the right view of customer wishes. It aims to express the flexibility of the company concept. The solution we want to present here with our motto, Experiencing New Perspectives, is well symbolized by the Penrose triangle. An apparently never-closing shape, unless you take exactly the right angle. And that is what we want to do together with our customers. It requires time and patience, but we will work with our customers until we have found exactly the right angle. And then we can also offer our great machines to the customer in a targeted way. Reichenbacher will continue to be innovative in the future, and there's plenty to look forward to in 2019.